Hi guys, I came from work and see what is waiting for me at home. It's the new version of Lymow mower. When the rain will stop, we will make the unboxing and show what is in the box, the new app, how the mower is cutting grass, and let me know what you want to see on the test. Before new video of unboxing this version, I'll only to post video from past, because in meantime I also received a robot with improved and quieter motors than my alpha version, which you could see on my channel before. It came to me from another person for repair because he accidentally broke the electrical connector. I don't think serious what I couldn't fix quickly. So next video will be few shots of that robot, comparison with my alpha version, some tests, and after that we follow the unboxing to follow with the timeline. Everything will be online soon in the next few days. Thank you for watching. Bye.